Hey everyone, this is help with Unit 10 practice problems from Castle Learning on colligative properties. So your second Unit 10 assignment. So just going to run through some problems. This one says what happens to the particles as sodium chloride is dissolved. And again, you want to say that it will, one of these two, it's ionic. It's sodium and chloride, which is a metal and a nonmetal, which makes it ionic, which means it will ionize. It'll break into ions. It'll break into pieces. So there should be more pieces right here. And then when you put more pieces in something, again, the boiling point goes up and the freezing point goes down. So we're going to pick that choice right there. All right, on to the next question. Which is the best conductor? So just like I mentioned, when something, breaks into pieces, it'll be a good conductor. So we just want the thing that'll break into the most pieces. So they're all NaCl. So that doesn't matter. They're all 1,000 milliliters of water. So I'm just going to pick the one with the most moles because I think like the more stuff you put in there, just like that makes the boiling point go up and the freezing point go down more, it's also going to make it a better conductor. So I think this is the biggest number here, 0.1. So more conductivity with more moles. On to the next question. Boiling point of unsaturated NaONO3 increases when? Again, the more stuff you put in there, the more that boiling point goes up and that freezing point goes down. All right. Question 4. Which aqueous solution has the highest boiling point? I don't know why that didn't disappear. Oh, eraser. Erase. Okay. So again, I would like to pick the one that's made of more pieces. So between KCl and CaCl2, I think CaCl2 just literally is made of more things. So I'm going to get rid of the two KCl choices, and now I'm down to CaCl2s, these two choices. And I'm going to pick the one with more a higher molarity. So there's more of it, and it'll break into more pieces. So I'm picking choice number 4. And I'm sorry, this is like so sloppy. Okay, moving on to question 5. Don't know why some of it erases and some of it doesn't. Go away. Okay, compared to distilled water, an aqueous solution has, better electrical conductivity. I guess I didn't stress this enough in the notes that I gave you. But the more, and we did it in the electrical conductivity unit, but remember when you poured like salt into water, all of a sudden it conducts really well. So just more electrical conductivity. This one, lower boiling point's wrong because it's actually a higher boiling point, and higher freezing point is wrong because it's actually a lower freezing point. All right, on to question 6. Why does some of it erase and some of it doesn't? Okay, compared to the boiling point and the freezing point of water, this smaller solution at 1 atmosphere has, so I mean, there's something in there. It doesn't even really matter what it is. It's ionic. That's good for breaking into pieces. There's lots of pieces. So that thing is definitely going to do its job. We're going to put lots of solute in there, and that boiling point is going to go up and the freezing point is going to go down, and choice 3 has both of those. So remember, the high one goes higher and the low one goes lower. Boiling point goes up, freezing point goes down. So then there's like a few questions on that because I just found a whole bunch of old regions question on that. And again, you just always want to pick higher boiling point, lower freezing point. The high one gets higher, the low one gets lower. I think the next few questions are about that. So again, keep picking those higher boiling point and lower freezing point. And then this last one says which one has the highest boiling point. So again, I want the most stuff in there, but they're all 0.1 molarity, so that doesn't matter. So I guess I'll pick the one that breaks into the most pieces. None of these are covalent, so they should all break into pieces. So now I'm just going to say, well, which one's made of the most stuff? And I think there are the most pieces, 3 Ks, 1 P, 4 Os. That's 8 pieces right there, like 8 atoms in there. This one is 1, 2 plus 3. That's 5. This one is just